It's a good thing I got the update. So I'm here today with another SuperCard video, and I have a feeling that I'm gonna get some luck out of this pack. Because it gave me luck in the past. I'm hoping for a Cataclysm. Let's see if it'll happen again. Please. Oh, there's a Cataclysm in there. Who's it gonna be? Tuck yeah! Tuck yeah! Tuck yeah! Tuck yeah! My first Cataclysm as Tucker. Nice. Sorry, Joe, but you're no longer needed. All you McIntyre fans out there, you're gonna hate me for this, but I'm sorry. It's what it had to be. I apologize for the inconvenience. I apologize for that. I know you're gonna hate me for the rest of my life. I know. Let's see if I can finish this up. Going through Cataclysm. Hopefully another Cataclysm. Oh boy. Okay, this one's for free. Oh, it's a fusion. I technically don't care at this point for fusions. Of course, it had to be that. Oh boy, shattered through Cataclysm. Okay then, hopefully another Cataclysm. Or 35 female. Or that, I'll take it. It's my third regular shattered, I'll take it. Okay. It gave me luck last time. Can we do it again? Damn it. Of course. Of course you're to freaking jinx me. Of course. Great. But hey, it's another 35. I can't be really disappointed at that. It's another 35. I can't be disappointed at that. Sorry, D-Bray. But yeah, we get a Cataclysm Tucker. I'll be right back. We're gonna see if third time's the charm. Hopefully it will be. Let's go. Okay. It's dang it. But hey, there's a card that I don't. Dang it. Dang it. Hi. I am terrible with this. I swear this game hates me. I swear. But I am not too upset. It gave me another 35. I'm not that upset. I am not that upset. No, I could just do the. Yeah, I could just do that. I'm not. I am upset that I didn't get another Cataclysm, but I tried with. Uh. Wait, am I able to do it one more time? Oh, wait, I am. Oh. Okay, then. Then I may have another chance. Dang it. I need more. Hold on. I should still have enough. Okay. All right. Fourth time's the charm. Can we do this again? Fourth time's the charm. Come on. Dang it. Of course. Wait, I think that's a pro for me. I think that Oscar's a pro. Oh my god, it is a pro. Ha ha ha! That came out of nowhere. Let me level up John Cena real quick. Save the Cataclysm. Lock Cena up. Lock Kyle O'Reilly up. Unlock this Oscar. Level up the other Oscar. If I know. I know. Get rid of Mandy. I know a lot of you people have been telling me that I'm doing terrible at procking. I apologize for that inconvenience. I'm just not that kind of a normal gamer. Now, time to level up this Oscar. Screw it. How far did that take me? Dang it. I am close, but not close enough. Will I have enough for more? Card declined. What about for the 200? Will I have enough for the 200 at least? Okay, I have enough for that. Okay. Hope for a cataclysm. At least one of the two. There's a shattered. Okay. At least I got a shattered out of that. At least I got a shattered over that. It's not a cataclysm, but at least I got a shattered. At least. Do I even have enough for more? I don't think I do. Do I? Oh, I do. Okay, then. What about for the 600? If the 200 works, the 600 should work. Right? Oh, well, the 600 won't work. Let me try the 200 one more go. Okay. What should I do? I don't know what I could do anymore. But yeah, first Cataclysm was a success. But a bunch of more 35s. And plus 2 Shattereds. And plus some stuff. Yeah, I do not know what I could do here. Well, except update my team deck. Wait, that's already filled out. Change that up. Yeah, I don't know. No, I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna be wise here. I'm not gonna do that. But I am so close to reaching Shattered. Look how close I am. I am that freaking close. Oh well. Hope I get better luck next time. If you like the video, please like it or dislike it. If you dislike it, subscribe for more gaming videos, and I will see you guys in the next video. Good